I welcome you back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you, this is the second phase. I'm going to teach you how you can buy Bitcoin, leton and others. So here now I have 5,001 naira. So in this situation now, so this is Bitcoin. So you can see the one Bitcoin is 20 million plus, 20 million plus, and if you want to buy it, you come to this side and buy it. But in the situation of this one, I want to buy Ethereum. I want to buy Ethereum, and Ethereum is 1,387,000, 830 naira 40 kobo. So this is the Ethereum. So the next thing to do is just to say buy. So you just enter the amount you want to buy there. So after enter the amount, so you just proceed. As you can see now that the Ethereum now will now be, you get 0.00353 Ethereum. So you, at the time you accept, automatically purchase has been successful. So if you now go back to your Ruqqu wallet to confirm exactly what is going on, by the time you go there, so let's reloading it again. After you reloading it again, so the next thing to see is that the Ethereum has been there. So you can see the portfolio value is 5,080. So you can look at your Ethereum, what we have in Ethereum now, 4,906. So that is the Ethereum. So if you want to sell it again, it's a situation whereby you just click and you click sell button here, automatically the money will come back to your account. So that is how you buy and you sell. Our next video, I'm going to teach you how you can see all your transaction and everything. So ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can grow this channel up. So thank you for watching.